Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. It's Greg Snyder here today at the Allen Water Store, and today I wanted to show you some of the amazing powerful properties of our 11.5 degreasing kangen water. I have some in this container here I pre-made, but I'm also going to show you some made right out of the machine, which is right here. This is our SD501. So I have some sesame oil we're going to start with here, and I'm going to show you this is sesame oil, nice dark color. I'm going to put a little bit in here and a little bit in here, and I'm going to ask you what happens when we mix water and oil. Typically water separates from the oil floats on top. So I have some in this cup here. I'll show you some nice dark sesame oil, and I'm going to mix some with some tap water, and you're going to see, hopefully you can see that from where you're at, it's actually separated. It's floating on the top. Okay? My strong kangen water, however, that I've pre-made is going to emulsify it. So watch this. Clear water pouring into this glass, and I think you can all see that from there, but I'm going to hold it up so you can see it a little better. It has literally emulsified that oil. So it is a degreaser, a very strong, powerful. That's the power of 11.5. Now, I wanted to also show you our produce in the world. Looks like I'm out of focus now. I don't know why I did that. Oh, there it goes. Has pesticides, insecticides, and herbicides that are also oil-based. So, what I'm going to do is get a couple glasses here, and we're going to use these tomatoes as an example. We're going to rinse some of these tomatoes in tap water, which is how most people do it, and we're going to rinse some in my 11.5 strong kangen water. So here we go. We're going to do some in tap water here, which is right out of the tap. No tricks here. Tap water from the city, and then in this other one, what I'm going to do is pour that same strong degreasing water that I pre-made out of my machine, and at the same time while these are soaking, what I'm going to do is give them a little stir here. Tap water, kangen water. What I'm going to do for you is also show you some of that oil, so you don't know what I put in this container, but I'm going to show you right out of the machine. So once again, I've got some sesame oil in a cup. I'm going to show you all sesame oil. I'm going to turn on the machine here, push the button. We're going to make some of the strong acidic water, strong kangen water. And once it starts rolling here, I'm going to actually emulsify this with the water coming right out of the machine. So here we go. Oil, you can see, this is the 11.5 strong degreasing water coming right out of the machine. And it did the same thing to the oil, it emulsified it. That's the same water in there that I made from my machine, just so you don't think I'm tricking you. Now, back to the tomatoes. We've rinsed these in tap water, as you remember. These are my degreasing water. So let's go ahead and dump off that water and see what we got. Here is the tap water. Here is my kangen water, 11.5. Let me show you so you can see. See the yellowness to that? Those are the oil-based pesticides, insecticides, and herbicides. And this one is the tap water. It's basically crystal clear. So hopefully you can see that from where you're at. These tomatoes now are clean of all the oil-based pesticides, insecticides, and herbicides, and they actually taste better. When you try one, I wish you could try these. Tastes like sweet, like you grew it in your backyard. These ones don't taste as good. Most people won't swallow them, they spit them out or tell me, oh my goodness, the taste of these tomatoes is much less sour, less sweet, less flavorful, and a little bit of aftertaste. Simply because we haven't rinsed off the poisons, and because they've soaked up all the chlorine in the tap water that we have here. So that's my demo for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you'd like to learn more, go to allenwater.com. That's my website, ALAMWATER.com. You can learn more, and my contact information is in there. Thank you very much.